3, 5, 4 thumb. I see a golden haired one. Hello, welcome back to Banana Gaming and Toys. For the first time I haven't said hey. I'm your host Maverick, and today we're doing another Dragon Ball series unboxing. Now, today's will be a special one. One of the sets of two. The last episode was about the other box in this series. Now I'll go show you it. Let's just quickly grab the box. It's about this one. It's a Blood of the Saiyans. It says Blood of the Saiyans Special 2, and this is Blood of the Saiyans Special 1. Now, if I grab the actual figure, you may immediately notice that the eyes are different. Now, that's not like... The reason behind that is because this thing is Dragon Ball Super. And this is Dragon Ball Z. Dragon Ball Super is more like the movie type, where this guy's like an action character compared to the Dragon Ball Z, which is just an anime and everything could be fun and laughable. Because for the movie, of course, has to be higher detail. So that's why the eyes are so strange. And of course in a different tone. And that's also why there's so much detail. But let's just bring this thing back over here. But today we're focusing on the gold-haired lad, the Goku. I'm pretty sure no Super Saiyan form will turn your hair complete gold. But let's just open this thing up. No need for scissors yet. So, it's already very heavy inside this thing. The hair actually might be metal. It's very heavy. Very cool effects, and what I want to see is the hair though. That's just what I want to see a lot. But let's open this thing up. Go, and there we go. All right, let's just open this guy up. Let's pull this guy out. Again, very tight, and immediately the hair is actually very golden-like. I may want to weigh the hair after this episode's done, just to be sure. But let's just quickly close this baby up. Let's put him to the side. Put him here, and then let's go grab the 5 parts, exactly the same as the other one. Why is the head dismembered? I do not know. The pants are way different. For a second I thought they were on fire, or my eyes were playing tricks on me. Holy, what the hell? What in the name of tarnation are these pants? Alright, first side. Bright orange to yellow. Back side. Pure orange. I am very confused. What the hell? Or what? Is this like the light is shining on this thing? What? Okay then. Aneurysm, seizure influencing pants aside, let's go into this thing. We have our base. We have our holder. We have our legs, and we have This one's not hollow for once. We have our top half, and we have the head that's unfortunately not made of metal, because that would be very cool if it was. But then wouldn't that raise up the price? But let's put this thing together. Strange cut in the legs I do not like. Oddly. This one puts itself together better. This is craneking. What? It puts itself better. Snap this thing on. Okay, that's good. And then let's put on the head. Like that. Now, it looks like he's about to fire a one-handed power blast, but I do not know what's going on with the pants that is seizure influencing, but it looks really cool, and especially the face impression gives it that really good look. And this time, the shirt is detailed to an extent where I could call this real life. They even have the taters and the little bends of where it would actually be the bend, where the actual bends in the fabric would actually be. And of course his iconic little bands, his belt, the seizure influencing pants. They look like they're made of pixels. There's actually just like little cuts. It looks like a little cat went across his pants. The legs that I do not know why they're in two parts. And the detail in the pants. First impressions. It seems like his pants are on fire from the color, but that's just probably because they're like, what they're trying to do is like they're trying to get like a light here, so then it shines like that. That would probably be the only reason why, because they would have like a light here, so then the light shines that makes the pants and the shirt brighter. That's probably actually the reason for the other one. Now that I think of it, let's actually just show it. I'll just show you. For example, this one, there's like a lighter texture there. This is from the same set, by the way. You guys just watch the last episode. But it has like a lighter texture. That's probably because there's like a light right there, so it's shining into it. But let's just put this thing down. The hair is incredibly cool. Probably the reason why we bought it. The exact reason why we bought it, actually. Let's restate that. Of course, the hands is incredibly detailed. There's something strange about this section of the leg. Like, you can see this little like line going up. It's like detached from the rest of the body, not properly put in. But that's probably a manufacturing problem. The shoes are really detailed, like the rope. There's like even little taters in the fabric. There's of course the grips on the bottom. There's even like a cut. There's even like a little cut tater on the side of the shoe, and incredibly detailed with the iconic Super Saiyan look that I would put beside this guy. The iconic Super Saiyan look with the hand and such. Now that I look at it, this guy's kind of darker than this guy. Anyways, but they're Saiyan Goku. Now, first impressions marking. This guy is most likely a 9 out of 10. Maybe an 8. Because there's two things I don't like. Actually, I'll put that to a 7. the seizure influencing pants, and the strange detachment of in his like knee, like from the part of the knee. But now let's get to the scales. And the scales would be this. From this thing to the top of his hair, I would say 11 inches or 28 centimeters. 28 centimeters too. Oh, I have to measure it like this. $16 centimeters or like 6.5 inches or 6.5 inches. So it's altogether 6.5 to I already lost where the other notch was. What? I already lost it. Oh, to 11, that would be 28. So it's altogether 16 centimeters to 28, and 28 centimeters to 16 centimeters, and 11 inches to 6.5 inches. Let's throw this in the coming around. Now, let's put this thing down sideways like that. Let's move this chair because it's already off balance now. It looks really cool now that I think of it. Strange way of molding the legs. Altogether, a very well detailed, a very good. Okay, there's another one of those like strange manufacturing problems, or like this like strange cut that I did not get. Altogether, amazing detail, amazing figures, cool hair, good details, iconic look. Just altogether quite good. I would give this thing an 8. The only reasons why were just the manufacturing issues, and of course the seizure influencing pants. But altogether, hey, and I'm out.